this. What you want? Go get it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This one. Get brother. Good boy, Stanley. Good boy. This is the courthouse in Helena, Arkansas. Beautiful building, gorgeous lobby. I'll take you inside. Let you look inside real quick. That beautiful tile, marble. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that. And this beautiful street is downtown Helena, Arkansas. This was booming in the early 1800s, late 1800s, lumber town, which was so vital to expansion, right on the Mississippi River. Just a beautiful, beautiful town. A lot of great history.
Right around the corner from this Helen. Love this one too. Coming up on Cherry Street. I'm gonna clean up, but I'll show you what they did. They busted one of the porch windows out and kicked the back door in, tore off the iron door. Like, I can't even, I have so many things I want to say, but this door is fine. This door is fine. Everything in here, while they broke up a bunch of the just like garbage that was in the house is fine. Like, again, Ruth and Naomi are okay. There's your brand new hot water heater that we put in. Your pier walls are all great. It's a little musty down here. Hey, look, there's a stove. It's a little musty, but it just kind of smells damp. It doesn't smell wet. You do have a furnace. Again, all your structure is beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Seriously, like, your piers are in better shape than my piers are. Your ductwork is in better shape than my ductwork is.
But look at the lovely painting of an English countryside. Still here.
So we are leaving Helen now, and then we realized we didn't video anything.
It was hot and we were busy and we're sorry.
We got one piece of furniture, which is this. You want to tell them about that and where we got it?
French Empire David. So this, we had to go to Memphis to buy this back after the estate sale. You may hold this since you're driving. Oh,
Oh, I tripped over a stair filming the house that I did just a minute ago.
Oh no.
So I'm going to show you guys that now.
Okay. Wow. This belonged to Cappy, who is who we bought the house from. Her family's who we bought the house from. It was in the room with the bed that is going to be in Hope Farm. We were going to leave it, but then we didn't. But we're leaving tons of stuff for the next steward of Helen. We know that Helena is a high crime area. We know that. We know that trespassing is a problem in Helena. We know that. We were not prepared. Somebody stole the mantle out of the front room that I had worked all those hours on. Stole the bathroom sink. Busted through the back glass. Went inside and just broke things
Stole the air conditioner and the furnace.
Stole the air conditioner and the furnace.
Just broke.
Just shattered glassware for the fun of shattering glassware. So we didn't video any of that for you to see.
It was depressing.
But Helen's fortunes are about to change, and much for the better. So we'll announce. What is today? The 14th?
Today is the 15th, 16th.
Is it the 16th?
Yeah, didn't we pay our taxes yesterday?
We did pay our taxes yesterday.
One of them.
It's the 16th, and so that means in 3 days we can announce for you what's going on with Helen. So hold tight.
So back when we thought we were maybe going to be on HGTV someday.
Well, when we filmed our pilot.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what it was.
Yeah,
We
and
ain't here.
Yeah, and tell them, I mean, that the HGTV actually paid a lot of money because
lot
they
of
thought
money.
we were.
Yeah, HGTV paid for the pilot. They paid for the they paid for the sizzle, and then they paid for the pilot. And we did the sizzle in Monticello, and then we did the pilot here in Helena, working on Helen. And we came here and ate. We sat at that table
Right over there with our good friends from Kentucky.
So we had Ross and Landon.
Oh, you're going to leave the other guys out, the video and the microphone guys.
So
Chucky was here.
Chucky Evans, our good friend Chucky, was here. Chase was our camera guy that we loved and adored, and he did some of the filming with us, some of the film and audio with us. But the day that we filmed the pilot, they had this other audio guy. I don't remember his name, but remember I didn't like him. Who was new, and he didn't like me, and I didn't like him. And then remember, I went to the bathroom, and I forgot that I had my microphone on, and it fell in the toilet. But I came out and told him, I was like, I'm so incredibly sorry. It just fell right in the toilet. I think it's fine. He did not say another word. He didn't say anything to me when he took it, and he said not another word to me the rest of the
You were dead
shoot.
to him.
I was dead to him. But
So anyway, we're having memories, recalling eating at the only restaurant in Helena, Arkansas.
remember Ross put my bib on. We were filming, and I was like, I spilled food on myself. So he tucked a
I
bib
said,
in.
she's a spiller. That one right there, and he put a bib on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, we miss those guys.
Yep, we do. We miss them a lot. I hope they're doing well.
You know, one of the things that we need to start sharing with people are some of the things we say. So what do we say if a chip breaks off in the salsa?
Never leave a man behind.
Never leave a man behind.